Hindi na po siguro maipinta ni Jesus ang lungkot o yung bakas ng lungkot sa kanyang mga alagad nitong patuloy siyang naghahabilin sa kanila at namamaalam. He knew very well that they will meet and weep and mourn. They will be in sorrow and in grief. But one thing is also clear for the Lord. Your grief will become joy. Jesus believes in the turnaround of events. Jesus would disregard how we can be so stagnant in life, most especially when we are in a negative experience. St. Paul, in our first reading, can be a good example of this. The Macedonian community was not that receptive to the preaching that he enthusiastically did. Paul cannot but be filled with anger because they were throwing him away. But it was not so for a long time, because afterwards, he met people who would participate with him, people who would also believe in what he's been preaching, and people who will also love God eventually. From that experience, we can say that we will not be stuck in sorrow, but joy will be there as time goes by. Sorrow turning into joy. We are drawing near the end of the Easter season. But let us not forget to pray and to live in hope about this ability of ours, about this reality that our sorrows will become joy. Na hindi tayo mapapako sa kalungkutan, pero aakayin tayo sa ligaya ng ating buhay. Jesus believes that sorrows will turn to joy, na maging kaligayahan. Hindi naman niya sinabi, your sorrows can turn to joy. Pwedeng maging kaligayahan. Para kay Jesus, ang kaligayahan hindi alanganin. Some may say, if you are sad now, then sorry, not sorry. If you are in tears, then cry as long as you can. Your heavy hearts will turn to happy hearts. Your anxiety will turn to comfort. Your longings will turn to answered prayers. Your questions will turn to answers. Your doubt will turn to faith. And this and many more are but joys in life. When sorrows, pains, and grief has a lot of faces now, Jesus assures you, joy is a necessity. My dear brothers and sisters, para kay Jesus, ang kaligayahan ay mangyayari at hindi alanganin. And we hold on to this hope that the Lord wishes our sorrows would turn to joy. Isang bagay na gustong mangyari ng Diyos sa atin at isang bagay na hindi lang alanganin sa atin.